Today's video, we present the top 4 best air conditioners that have taken the market by storm. As the summer heat continues to rise and staying cool and comfortable is a top priority. These cutting-edge appliances combine powerful cooling capabilities, energy efficiency, and smart features to redefine your comfort experience. Whether you're looking for a portable solution, a split system, or a smart AC, these top performers have it all. Now before we begin, do not forget to like, comment and hit the subscription button. And links would be attached in the description. Now let's get started. Are you tired of battling the relentless heat during scorching summers? Look no further. Introducing the Frigidaire FHP-H142AC1, the ultimate solution to keep you cool and comfortable with utmost ease. The Frigidaire offers more than just cooling. It delivers a user-friendly experience like no other. Say goodbye to sweating and hello to uninterrupted comfort. Customizing your indoor climate is a breeze with the easy-to-use control panel. Set your desired temperature and fan speed to create your personal oasis. And when it's time to relocate, the built-in carry handle lets you effortlessly take your comfort from room to room. Whether you're working from home in your cozy office, unwinding in the living room, or getting a good night's sleep in the bedroom, the Frigidaire FHP-H142AC1 keeps you blissfully cool wherever you go. Worried about soaring electricity bills? Fear not. The Frigidaire is designed to keep your energy consumption in check while providing maximum cooling performance. Not only does the Frigidaire keep you cool, but it's also kind to the environment. With eco-conscious design and responsible materials, you can enjoy comfort guilt-free. Don't let the scorching heat get the best of you. Embrace the soothing comfort of the Frigidaire, your reliable, easy-to-use, portable air conditioner. Get your Frigidaire now and experience the joy of effortless cooling. Beat the heat, anytime, anywhere. Next, we have the LG LP1419 IVSM, the ultimate solution to beat the heat and enjoy unparalleled comfort during scorching summers. With its cutting-edge technology and elegant design, the LG LP1419 IVSM sets the standard for powerful and convenient cooling. Experience a new level of comfort with the LG's Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control. Adjust your settings effortlessly using your smartphone or simple voice commands. Powered by dual inverter technology, this air conditioner provides efficient cooling while operating quietly, ensuring peaceful and undisturbed relaxation. Stay cool without worrying about electricity bills. The LG is designed to be energy efficient, keeping you comfortable while being environmentally conscious. Experience cooling in any room you desire. Thanks to the built-in caster wheels, the LG offers effortless portability for customized comfort wherever you go. Enjoy a restful night's sleep with the Sleep Mode feature, which automatically adjusts settings for an optimal sleeping environment, allowing you to wake up refreshed and ready for the day. Don't let the scorching heat spoil your summer fun. Embrace the advanced cooling technology of the LG, your reliable, smart, and energy-efficient portable air conditioner. Get your LG air condition now by using the link in our description and stay cool, comfortable, and in control all summer long. Next, introducing the Winter Dual Hose ARC14S, the ultimate cooling solution for those scorching summer days. Say goodbye to sweating and discomfort, and hello to refreshing, efficient cooling. Designed with cutting-edge technology, the Winter ARC14S offers powerful and rapid cooling, ensuring you stay comfortable even in the hottest weather. Unlike single hose models, the Winter ARC14S boasts a dual hose system that takes in fresh air and expels warm air more efficiently, cooling your space faster and with less energy consumption. Whether it's a small bedroom or a spacious living room, the Winter ARC14S can handle it all. With its powerful cooling performance, it creates a refreshing environment you'll love coming home to. Experience unmatched convenience with the ARC-14S's programmable timer and remote control. Set your desired temperature and schedule the AC to turn on or off at your convenience, providing comfort on your terms. The Winter ARC14S is not only great for you but also for the environment. It uses an eco-friendly refrigerant that minimizes greenhouse gas emissions, so you can stay cool with a clear conscience. Worried about complicated installations? Fear not. The Winter ARC14S is easy to set up, and with the included window kit, you'll have it up and running in no time. Don't let the heat get the best of you. Embrace the cooling prowess of the Winter Dual Hose ARC14S, your reliable, efficient, and eco-friendly portable air conditioner. Get your Winter Dual Hose ARC14S now and experience a new level of comfort this summer. Stay cool and refreshed while enjoying the utmost convenience and efficiency. Now at the top, introducing the Midea Duo Map, the top-rated portable air conditioner that exceeds all expectations. Experience tranquility, power, and efficiency in one sleek package. Designed to redefine comfort, the Midea Duo Map delivers the ultimate cooling experience with minimal noise, incredible performance, and the added bonus of heating capabilities. Enjoy peaceful moments without disruptions. The Midea Duo is engineered for quiet operation, allowing you to sleep, work, or relax without any distracting noise. Experience its powerful cooling capabilities, effortlessly transforming your space into a refreshing haven. Plus, with its energy-efficient design, you'll stay cool while saving on your energy bills. Whether it's sweltering heat or chilly nights, the Midea Duo has you covered. This versatile appliance cools rooms up to 500 square feet and can also function as a heater, providing comfort all year round. Its sleek and modern design seamlessly blends into any decor, while its smart features ensure effortless control, making it an attractive and user-friendly addition to your home. Stay in command with intuitive controls that put you in charge of your comfort. Adjust temperature, fan speed, and mode with ease for a personalized cooling or heating experience. Don't compromise on comfort. Elevate your cooling and heating game with the Midea Duo Map, the top-rated portable air conditioner that's quiet, powerful, and energy efficient. Get your Midea Duo Map now and redefine your comfort experience. Stay cool in the summer, cozy in the winter, all with one incredible appliance. You wanted to know the best portable air conditioner at the moment. Now you know. Please, before you leave, like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the link in the description. Until next time, happy listening.